I will wait at until up to 2 o'clock. I will trade only high probability. I don't take any other risk unwanted risks. Yesterday, war my both stop loss was good. And focus on beta India too. But one thing remember, beta India is moving like one side. Okay, without pullback, this was moving going. So before going to enter, reduce the risk of the position. If you enter not, but remember the point. If you the it is moving like angle is different, then you have to reduce the position size. Don't do it in cloud. I don't know, something message is coming in.
So, Vicky, what is the reason for identifying Conquer? Because even that is moving in one direction.
Yeah, I tell you the one thing. Kankur was trend was started yesterday, but the EMA is not still elaborated. Okay, EMA is still is not elaborate. One thing, and it is already pullback given. It's moved three candle and given pullback and again breaking high, and it's moving. It is not a trending stock. Trending stock means you want to. This is not like a fast move. This is a slow moving, and
Okay.
okay, how can I tell you? Medium slow. Okay, there is a very slow, medium, and top. This is medium movement, so you can focus on it. You can see these stocks. Look, Beta India is not medium. This was looking like higher continuously forming. So these stocks are mostly high risky. At the same time, and the EMS is good. The one thing I have to look is EMI is good. Volume opening volume is good. Other all things okay. Only thing is it is not giving any pullback momentum. Okay, so when I will take the risk in the stocks, if forming with EMA support, I will take off the risk. If I going to example, I'm going to take 5,000 risk, then I will go for 2 to 2.5 risk.
Isn't
Okay.
Okay,
this
this is very important in my trading.
Vicky? Isn't
What?
this 20 SMA of Conquer too much steep? This one, this pink line, 20 SMA. Isn't it too much steep? It's like more than 60 degree.
Yes, yes. See, it is 60 to 65 degree, but okay, no problem. But the EMA to 3 EMA, you see, look at the 3 EMA 20, 50, 100. It was a smooth moving. Okay, it's like sometime what happened. The 20 is moving fast, 50 is not moving. 50 is moving slowly. Those types of time you can avoid, no problem. But
Okay.
is the moving is smooth, stock also giving pullback higher high, and volume also increasing. Opening volume increasing, then again now volume breakout time again volume came. Okay, now we will see how it's performing. Still, it is not giving any entry. When entry time, we will easily know what is going to happen.
This Bata India chart also we can look at, but what is wrong with Bata India chart?
Okay, that's what I'm telling. Beta and the chart is moving continuously, frequently high. There is still it is now only giving a pullback. Pull is still it's not break. No pullback. Without pullback, it is moving more than 1.5 hours.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
but the slope was good. The EMS slope was good, but it is the angle of 60 to 70 degree. Okay, there is another one thing. I think is beta and beta will be move 1,700. There is a high probability. Reason is nearby the next round of number is there. Okay, and it is last 3 days, 4 days. It is in sideways. This break to the last 5 6 days high. Just look those points. It will give the high probability for you.
What about Nokri Infoeds?
Nakri, stay away Nakri right now.
Stay
Anytime
away.
selling will be happen. Okay,
Okay.
reason is already it is giving more than 20% move in 2 days.
Yes.
Okay, volume is good. Okay, no problem. But the problem is the EMA all are very expanded. Whenever the VMA gap was very expanded, those stocks fall, try to fall or let it give correction. And it right now it is giving already morning itself it is given support from the 20 SMA. You just check it the candle of
Yes.
935.
Yes. Yes. 935 candle.
There is the continuation move of yesterday. You can
Hmm.
take trade this types of opportunity if you get with volume.
Oh, we can take like
Look at the picture from yesterday to today. You can take like this. Okay, look at the picture. Totally, the total picture is the volume is continuously increasing. The
Yes.
smooth move and smooth everything is good. Okay,
Yes.
but I don't take those trade. Mostly, I'm not look trade for opening. Opening, I have another one strategy. So another one method I'm trading opening. So I will focus on there. I will come after 10 o'clock only in order to that. Let's see any change.
Concur will give some signs after
Just
some
look,
time.
look for sell side. Look for sell side. I am not mostly I am today look for sell side. The market is trying to shifting. Look at the advanced decline. This is all normal. You know, no, this is normal advanced decline. This is the open price. The stock, how much stock trading from open price above or below. So the overall it is neutral. Index was Nifty 50 was it is declined. Weightage is declined. Okay, and some only for some no index support also. Only Vedanta, NMDC's metal sector. Other all no. Bharat Fog. Remove Bharat Fog. Godrej Waste. Look at the Reliance. The move was good. Focus on Reliance.
Lens, okay.
Yeah, Reliance is good. The volume is continuously increasing. Volume is continuously increasing and giving pullback. The setup is very good. We'll see any opportunity get in short for Reliance. We'll go for it. Selling side, any other stocks? Scott. Scott. Lupin. Lupin remove. Lupin not good. The opening candle was very big.
Okay. Reliance
ITC.
chart is open.
Look ITC guys. Focus on ITC and Reliance. Okay. Whenever yesterday one important thing, whenever you see the previous day sideways, then stock is trending. Most probably that is the day will be give trending move. The most stock like this forming with example yesterday trend fully sideways and today is starting the first trend day. So that stock will be definitely go down only. It's never reverse. Mostly never reverse. You understand?
Yes.
I think.
Can you repeat the last point?
Oh no! Whenever you are going to take any trading opportunity, just look at the picture of the previous 2-3 days. If previous days is fully sideways, then the momentum is shifting from higher. See, you just look at the ITC. It is uptrend, then falling sideways. Now shifting to downtrend.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So the EMA everything is good. Everything fine. Opening volume okay. And opening given move and this was like a cup pattern. This was cup like cup type pattern for me. But wait for the entry. Only Scott. Remove Scott also. Scott also not good setup.
Okay.
The EMA is now only collapse and it was now only going to it's tomorrow. If Scott coming means it is good. Today is not. Any other stocks from top general pin Scott ITC Godrej Airlines Bicon. You go Bicon. Already Bicon is slightly weak. No Bicon is so not good setup. So okay guys, the sell side ITC lines. Okay.
Yes.
Now we'll finalize the stocks.
Vicky, I have one question regarding the Reliance. So Reliance is in downtrend. Can you just go to that?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So
Yeah,
basically,
you got
as per the setup, so it has to retrace to the EMA 100. Then that will be our best entry, right?
EMA 20, not
No, it
EMA, SMA.
SMA 20.
Acha, SMA 20, okay.
This pink line.
Mhm.
And then there it need to be, yeah, pink line.
Just
But there, so there it need to be have a red marbles, right?
Yes.
yes, red marble. Just look at the whole picture. Already it is forming the big red Marigold candle under trading. So
Yeah.
this is easy. This Marigold candle showing the selling pressure. Look at the buying. There is no buyer. Only seller is waiting. You see, full and full
Okay.
candle was every candle forming Marigold only. 80% of candle is Marigold here.
Yeah, all right. Yeah. Thanks,
Okay,
Vicky.
so the selling price is heavy. Automatically it became visible. So now we have to look the pullback entry. Whenever it is pullback with 20 SMA, if you can form the heavy candle, then we can go for short.
Okay. Thanks.
Any other Vedanta, Naukri? See, another one thing, there is a, if any stocks forming from yesterday, continuing the yesterday pattern, na, you have to be careful. Like see now with the L&T Finance, it is in 20 SMA. Okay,
Hmm.
wait a minute. Top gainer any changed? Just look at the Concord. It is previously whenever I'm picking Concord, it was a 6th, 7th place. Now it is shifted to second place.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so this is like yesterday happened. Yesterday Nakuri Axis Bank was 7th, 8th place, but shifted to top gainers. Okay, but we did not get the opportunity at opening, like 11, 12 o'clock. It's given opportunity very late.
Yeah, notice yesterday. Axis
So
Bank.
all yes, okay. So those things you have to note. I already yesterday told no Axis Bank Naukri chart setup is good. So today is Chola Finance, Lens, and ITC is good. So if you get entry in those stocks, give the more preference to those stocks. Don't go for Beta India. This is like yesterday ITC, MGL look like MGL. I told no, whenever the fast movement is there, probability is less. Whenever
Yes.
the slow movement is there, then the probability is high.
Vicky, what about Gale?
Gale,
Yeah, in the opening there was a huge volume, and after that now it is nearing 20 SMA.
wait a minute. Gale. I think it is coming now only. Uh, Gale out.
Volume is declining in Gale.
Volume is totally
Only
declining. Point number
yes.
one, and this is no pad, no trending. This is
Yes.
only one
Yes.
candle is opening.
Yes.
Those types
Very
of stock, this whenever looking this types, directly reject.
okay.
No other question.
Only
Then
one
we can
button.
focus on some stocks. Tata Chem, Airtel, SRF Finance. Why means those stocks in downside, there is high probability go up, come upside. Why means the slow pattern stock was always in last. Then whenever time decay, it's come to up.
See, look at Tata Chem. Very good setup.
That's what I'm going to through. Airtel, SRM Finance. Yes, we'll go
Near
for it now.
which one?
Tata Chem, no, I don't like the candles. This was forming the rejection candle, big rejection candle. I think I see. Look the Tata Chem. It was exactly came to round of number 500 and above pivot point also there. So when it is came to 500, they started to rejection and falling.
Yes.
Means
Yes.
it
Yes.
is slow. It is slowed. Stock was stopped down. So now
Right.
further we have to know, once it's crossed the 500 with the volume and support of the SMA, when we get the very big move, again we get the another 20 minutes, another 2-3% more. So Tata Chip keep an eye, but okay, Airtel was good, guys. Airtel was very good. Focus on Airtel. See, this is the chart. Look at the chart. Airtel volume, one of the classic setup.
Yes, yes, yes. Very one. Very.
Reason is, see, the volume is continuously rising. Stock was just a two candle pullback, two three candle breakout high pullback, two three candle breakout high pullback. So
Yes,
this
yes.
is we want. We want look always keep this picture in your eye whenever you are going to trade in trending method. Another one things, look at the sea. Last two three, no, not no more than 5 days. Why not 5 days? It is was a breakout given more than 10 days. I think more than 6 7 days. 1 week. Last 1 week high is breaked.
Yes, yes. Yes. Good one.
Okay,
Five days.
so focus on Airtel. Airtel is now our top priority.
Okay.
Then SRM Finance. SRM Finance also not good. No volume. Volume is continuously trying. Okay,
So when you're
stock
talking
already.
about Airtel, basically, I mean, we have done our analysis, and
Mhm.
now we'll wait for our setup to establish, right? I mean,
Yes,
retrace
yes, yes.
back to, yeah.
Now we have only three stops. Okay, Airtel, Reliance, ITC. These three stocks in our hand, and we just look at the market overview every 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Whenever you get the time, just refresh and once check the any stocks coming or going like this, and any unwanted movement things happening in index or other sectoral. Look at the RBL bank. This is the continuation of yesterday. Yesterday continuation. Now Vedanta. Just look at the Naukri. See here one more thing you have to note. Just look at the Naukri. You get one small, not very big important top point.
1 second. I'm opening.
Just observe what happened. Mm,
Yeah.
same picture in L&T Finance. L&T Finance Naukri same picture. Just what you understand. Just tell me. Other than EMA, it is pure price action. When it is pure price action. You took the candle and tell me.
Price is very high. Like 2 weeks. Yesterday's movement of Naukri was too much high.
No. Now just to you see the today picture, current picture. Tell me the current picture. Don't forget about the yesterday picture. Current picture talking more.
So Vicky, basically what I observed that whenever it touches the 20 SMA, it takes support there and then start moving in the upward direction.
Okay, this is Naukri. Actually, the support is given yesterday. Now touch up. Only today is first, second touch up is going on. Okay, I am saying. See, it is moving. How much percentage it is retraced? That is the important.
Yes, yes.
Any stock if is moving under 50% retraced now, so there is a bearishness started. Okay, little bit the sign of the bearishness. Point number one. Second thing, look at the candle. When it is retraced, the candle is very big. It is
Mhm.
showing the bearishness. Okay, still, but it is in bullish. It is in good bullish, but there is the seller is try to shorting. Some seller is try to entering, and one more thing, it is taken a resistance from the one of the pivot level. Okay, so one of the pivot level and it came down. We'll see further what happened. Now it is in support level. Same thing happened in L&T Finance. Look at the L&T Finance. What happened? It is moved and it is was this is look at the 10-10 candle. So those types of candle you have to give the eye always in any stock. If you're trading any stock, there is it is like a bunch candle. Whenever come bunch candle means someone is entering.
Yes. Somewhat similar L&T and Naukri. L&T Finance and Naukri.
Whenever any high, any bottom or top, those types of candle like bunch candle forming, be alert. Either the momentum will be close. Okay, there is a high probability the momentum will be close. Look at the 20 MA, it is a given rejection. Remove the chart NMDC.
NMDC will remove.
NMDC out.
Okay.
Not here. In your tracking means out it. Don't track.
Yes, I understood. I'm looking at Varti
Keep
Airtel.
watch. Look at the Tata Chim. What happened? Same picture. So only Tata Chim is good. Line is good. ITC.
Yeah,
What
that
happened?
touch.
ITC why rejection? ITC no problem. ITC there is a high probability go down nearby 200 level is there. Okay. So another 2-3% probability will reach 200 level. Another one important point, whenever you see the positive momentum, after that stock was needed to move sideways, like with small candle and sideways near, then there is a probability it will continue the trend. Look at the ITC picture. There is some important points in ITC picture. Just observe the chart from opening move to down.
I was disconnected when we were discussing that dashboard. So that was sorted out, how to set that up.
What?
The dashboard thing we were discussing when I was disconnected last time. So had we sorted that out? How to set that up, most weighted stocks and stuff?
No
I
problem.
don't think that has been recorded.
Yeah, Parsu, that point was already sorted out. So basically, what Vicky suggested that basically that in case you want the alert, then only you need to go for the premium version. Otherwise, that dashboard is sufficient for the normal testing. And the top gainer, he showed it from the NSE side. And so if you want, you can add the most stocks there. But basically, he selected the top 10.
Top 10, 12.
Yeah, top 10. Yeah.
And I'm telling top 12. Still, it is in there is a same weightage total. The weightage is in bearish. The weightage is still in bearish. Okay, so the probability is high. Anytime market is return. That's why I'm focusing sell side more rather than buy side. The guys,
Can you go to that dashboard once, please?
I think I have to knock 3 out. Okay.
Okay. So Vicky, if we share this dashboard link with everyone in FTU, that should suffice, right? I mean, they don't need to make any changes here.
No changes. Only you have to do is just one option is there. Just go for your account. There is one option is watch list.
Okay.
Just create watch list those stocks and go for this most weightage. Edit one column. Just click here most weightage option. Here in your scanner list.
Okay.
Most weightage scanner list. Go nearby. View query.
View query.
View query. Click it. So you came here. See next column. Filter. Go filter.
This one.
No. There same. Yes, filter. Click filter there. So here cash there. That cash for me it is in a watch list. By means I created the 12 stock for watch list and I should change it to watch list. You just click cash. So you don't have watch list, right?
No.
Okay. So
This
you're
is
saying
index.
we can create a separate watch list and add that watch list here, right?
Yeah. You can create separate and keep it here and save it. That's it.
Okay, and that watch list will create. I think you were showing that tab right now, Prasmit.
Yes.
I think we can create that watch list with these most weighted stocks. Got it. So anyone who's listening to the recording, what Vicky is explaining is this dashboard link will be shared, and this most weighted stocks is not showing because we don't have a watch list added. This is Prasmit's screen. So
Yes,
what
yes.
we need to do later is, Prasmit, can you go to that last tab, most weighted stocks? No, the tab on your Chrome window. Yeah, this is where we need to add the watch list, and in the watch list you have to add the most weighted stocks. Prasmit, the last tab after Concord, if you go to the top, the last tab on your
This one, yes.
yes. So these are the most weighted stocks. This is 2019 constituents. So pick up the most weighted stocks, create a watch list, and Prasmit, go back to the first tab again, please.
Yes.
Watch list would have all those stocks which we just saw, and that watch list here you'll click on cache, and you'll add that watch list here and save. So your dashboard will resemble what Vicky is saying on his screen, and in that case we'll all be on the same page. Thank you, Vicky and Prasmit.
Yes. Thank you.
Keep in Beta India. Look at the Beta India. The 20 SMA and the 50 SMA is moving like 20 is very fast than 50 and 100. Look at Beta India. Beta India.
Yes.
What happened, Tata Chem? Tata Chem, remove Tata Chem in the list. Then Naukri also remove from the list.
Okay.
Okay. Naukri is very less probability further going. I am now L&T Finance is keep L&T Finance. There is some more possibilities there. It is given some rejection from the pivot level. If it is move, then it will go. So we give another 1%, 2% more. It is a high probability is there. Okay, I hear one question is there. Why L&T Finance still we are waiting? What make me wait? What I am looking for here to wait? And guys, another one thing, I already asked one question from ITC. Just we go for ITC, then we will go for the L&T.
Yes. ITC chart is open.
Okay, tell me now what's going on.
Sideways move. A huge fall, huge drop, then a sideways move is going on.
Okay, there is one thing. Look at the candle of reason.
Candle of?
When it is falling continuously, 4 candle,
Yes.
like 10, 9, 45, 9, 45. It is sudden good bullishness.
Yes.
Okay, after that, look, there is seller is trying to push the price down. Look, doji rejection, small candle, doji again. Look at the candle of 10.35. This again rejection, right? Again 10.40. Again another one Mariboji candle type, and volume is started to. So what you observing here? I'm told all whole picture of the chart. What's here happened? Okay, now you tell me we are going to sort or wait.
ITC has reached near 20 SMA.
20 SMA, okay. See, looking for only 20 SMA is not a good thing for. What can I tell you? Not matter. See, you have to understand the whole picture. Then you have to trigger. We are only 20 SMA means there is a good trading location for entry and exit. Okay, who are already fallen here, and most people waiting for the 20 SMA to enter. And who are the big guys? Any big guys booking or profit or buying the stocks, and he will keep algorithm in 20 SMA. So every algorithm will come 20 SMA, it will trigger, and that's why we only keeping some rejection type or big candle. Other candle means we don't know who is coming here. I think I am going to enter in Veda.
In which one?
Why? Vedanta.
Okay, Vedanta.
Vedanta is, if give the opportunity, I will enter. Why? That is the question here. Look, ITC Vedanta. ITC Vedanta is like vice versa. The logic is totally vice versa. As per my logic, ITC will be reverse from the spot.
Can you help with the logic, Vicky?
What?
Can you please explain what is the logic there?
I will explain ITC later. First, we'll try to
ITC
enter in
double
the
bottom.
Okay. No, okay, double bottom, okay, double bottom.
Double bottom with volume. Check it.
I am telling now, before that double bottom, double top, anything, price will be give the hint. Okay, just look at the price. That's what I'm telling. If people not looking the price, we keep in looking the pattern, double top, all those things. See, price is fallen. Okay, this much big fall with volume. Volume, look at the volume, 2 million, 1.5 million. Okay, the heavy volume it is fallen. Then after that, one guy is pushing up the price. Okay, he failed or not failed. How we know? Just look again. The seller is trying to push the price. Again, the buyer is beating. You understand? Hello, hello.
Yes, yes.
Yes, Vicky.
Wait a minute, guys. Wait for some time. Okay, why means I'm trying to enter in Veda. Wait. I will wait for RBL Bank. Look, RBL Bank. RBL was doing good, but the volume is also good. I think we will get the Airtel entry. LIC Finance. Okay.
Guys, in case I'm disconnected again, I would really like to understand Vicky's logic behind Vedanta and ITC. That would help, the FTU members later to understand the logic and the thought process behind it. Just keep that in mind. I'm there, but in case I get disconnected again, please ensure that we discuss that as well.
Mm. Let's see how long I can see. Mm. Let's enter, guys, in Vedanta.
Yes, the Maribos was touched.
Guys, I am taking off risk in Vedanta. Okay, before just it's moving like opening is heavily. This is a fast action rate. But once it is push up, we will get easily 1:3 also. Easily 1:3. Wait, we have to go for ITC. ITC.
Vicky, for Vedanta, stop loss will be 10 paisa lower to that volume candle, correct?
Yes.
177.
167. Oh, sorry, 177. I still not in enter. Sorry, my order is still not triggered. I'm still waiting in higher. I guess this is the order in higher. What 177 is low and it keep 10 paisa below.
176.90.
176.90.
You said your entry is not triggered. Means you will enter once, it will cross the high of that candle, correct?
Yes, not high. I keep on buffer price like 177.90.
Okay. Yes.
I always keep the buffer price both side.
177.90 here.
Here another one thing noted. See 20 SMA and 50 SMA gap is heavy. Okay, that's why I'm taking off risk. Okay, don't take full risk. What happened? I will be here. Wait. I focus on moves. There is actually, see, look at the picture in Vedanta. 945 one seller is pushing the price down fastly, but if they are trying to push the price in downside, every downside the buyer is buying. Every time, see, all candle is like doji, pin bar, like in all indices can. So this is the sign of the buyer is present in the stock still. Okay, so even the seller is pushing price, if the buyer is not ready to buy, the stock will fall further.
Prasad, can you go to the ITC chart once?
Yes.
It is a
So,
reversal thing. Okay,
that's
I told Nasi, it is forming continuously pin bar type, like 1035, again 1050, now itself.
that's what I was
We'll see
trying to
further.
understand. Here as well, you are referring to the indices candles when you said notice what you're seeing, right?
No, I'm not seeing. I just see the view of the index. I don't see the total index. How the index is moving, I don't see.
No. You said observe in ITC and Vedanta that the views are totally, they're it's vice versa in Vedanta.
Here is buyer is dominating. There also buyer is dominating. But the problem is here, buying stock, buyer is dominating. Here, selling stock, buyer is dominating.
Yes.
Any other stocks, guys, we have to focus on stocks. Some other important stock is missing the entry. Okay, I think we will go for IT. Very good spot, guys. Very, very good place to enter. Right here. If it's the Vedanta, if we break the law, then we just cancel the order. Okay. ITC is in one support point. It is in pivot area and it is in 20 SMA. And the movers are good. If it is given any Mariposa or rejection candle, we will enter otherwise. Kanpur was moving good, yeah. Very, very good. Every time it is breaking high with Mariposa.
Vicky, in Airtel, what's happening raises a question. Let's say, it breaks the 20 SMA with, a strong candle. Say,
Yes.
something.
I also observing.
No, what
Okay.
I'm asking is, in such scenarios, do you think we should wait or we drop the setup, or I mean, how's the approach in that
Very,
case?
very. This is the another. See here, more thing you have to. The point number one, this line formed a double top.
Mhm.
Okay, you see double top.
Yes.
Okay, from double top it is rejection. Okay, here there is a two types of profit trap is there. Example, any guy started the stock, they is keeping the high of the area is so means stop loss. If the stop loss is trigger na sudden reversal. Okay, and the buyer also who is buying in the bottom, they also try to book the profit here. But I am seeing support from pivot at several 20 SMA. See, we have only special candle only we enter. So no need to worry. The candle is forming, we will enter. Otherwise, no. See, in this also, in this also, you just look at the. It is forming again. It is try to break the high with good view, good bullish candle. Again, it is reverse. And volume was okay. It was good supporting or good. I think I entered, guys. I am in Vedanta.
Yes.
My order was in trigger.
177.90. Let's see.
Keeping my stop loss 76.9.
So, Vicky, I remember you had mentioned that if Vedanta is triggered, we can easily get to 3:1 or something. How are you keeping the targets, like some defined ratio or some previous swing high or something, or
No, I don't keep low like this. I will keep like I will see any level is there. First of all, any round of number is there. Then I
okay.
go for round of number. If no round of number is there, means I will see the stop loss size of stop loss. See the less than is like 80 to 90 basis points. So it is near to less than 5.5%. So as per my concern, it is giving the opening move very strong, sideways again strong. This is my observation. If he is giving the strong move again, how much move is opening the move? Minimum 50% move will go. Minimum 50%. So that 50% move means I will just observe it is 170, 171 to 175, more than 4 rupees. So 4 to 5 rupees, more than 3 to 4 rupees. So as per my stop loss, it is for 3 rupees. It is easily. But at the same time, look at the 179. Look at the 179 area. It is a double high. Whenever 179 area reach now, for some set of the seller will be entered. Okay, reason is a profit booking. The high area, some seller will be entered. Don't panic. Those areas. Again, some retracement will become. Sometimes it will break with one strong candle. Sometimes it will move slowly. Airtel, what happened? Airtel. Look, Airtel is not giving any entry, going down.
Jasmeet, can you show Airtel? Then?
Yes, it broke.
Okay.
Wait. Sometime what happened? This pump 2-3 candle again it is in the reverse signal. Means it is again came with bull candle. So wait for 1 or 2-3 candle. If further it is going down, then we can
These two candles buying is eradicated by these 4-5 bearish candles. Look at the volumes.
And just one thing which I noted here is that we had the spin bar on the SMA, and even if we had put a buy order, assuming that we have gotten a pin bar on SMA, it wouldn't have triggered because we would have taken maybe 10-20 paisa buffer, and it opened below that. So I think we are good here.
But we had to look for a bullish spin bar.
not like this. You can go for a bearish spin.
Bearish spin bar too. Okay.
Yeah, you are getting rejection from lower levels. No, that's the understanding with the pin bar.
Important point you have to look is the size of the pin bar. If it's very small, avoid.
Yeah.
Like wait,
See
like
now
the body, you know, normally the body from 2 to 3 times we need. The
yes,
fixed.
yes. Now it's showing some bullish sign.
Look at the L&T Finance. Go on. Okay. So this is remove from L&T Finance. I think we are in Vedanta. We'll see Vedanta.
Still
Vicky,
moving
in the
inside.
first session, Vicky, in the first session, you had mentioned that we need to refresh the dashboard every 15-30 minutes to keep checking. But since we have shortlisted our stocks already, do we still need to go back to dashboard, or we just keep monitoring our shortlisted scripts?
See, why I have to telling those things? You have to observe index also. Means total overall stock how performing. Advanced declines how they. Okay, for that I'm told everything. It's not for
Understood.
watch.
Understood.
Okay. If any stock coming also, you can catch those time. Example, some top example now I am looking for Voltas, L&T Finance, L&T Finance also. So why L&T Finance is moving up? I just looking. So look, L&T Finance is okay, moving good. Like then Voltas. This is a new stock. Suddenly came in Voltas. What is why your Voltas is coming? Any reason? See, look at the Voltas. Arey yaar.
Which one?
Leave it. Voltas.
Voltas. Okay.
What happened? ITC.
Voltas.
ITC going well.
Voltas was in our list. It wasn't, right?
It, the scanner showed now.
Voltas CMA also good, but see, look at this. This is also good pullback, guys. Look at the Voltas pullback. From opening to move, slowly, suddenly fast. This is the when we enter now, we enter like this placements like 10:45, 10:55 place. No, when it is came to support, this move will be happen. This is the stop, like opening from here. This is slowly pushing the price, then slow action to fast action. It's changing to slow action to fast action. Whenever you see the like this fast action, just trial your stop loss every example you enter. Just trial every low, so you don't miss the rally. You understand?
Yes, yes.
Just trial every low until the ride the total full. When it is give the red candle, just close the position. What's going on in Vedanta? अरे यार Vedanta, here guys, SMA is standing. The average is difficult. Try to close position in Vedanta. There is no seller in the Vedanta, but stock is still holding long time. Holding long time.
Have a look on Bata India.
Good trade. Good observation. If it is close, we will take the entry. No, don't worry about it. If close, we will enter. Why means there is no seller. Stock was weighted more than your two sideways. Right. Wait for this candle close. Beta India, it is in top gainer still. Yes, top 10. Look at the PVR guys, my morning trade. I closed it 1:1. Now it is moving heavily. You see, I traded in morning PVR and NMDC. PVR I booked 1:1 and closed my position. NMDC also same. Kanpur not giving entry. Yeah. That's the
Yes.
problem. Like this stocks, no, that's the one time giving entry. Na. We will close. One trade will be enough the day. Easily close.
Concur has given the perfect setup in terms of price and
Yeah,
volume
Kanpur
both.
is like yesterday Airtel. This is those stocks like give the entry the end of the day on 2 o'clock, 1:30. So I have to wait for those days. That's why telling na these setups are work good in second half. Guys, I'm going to enter in beta India. No with full position. 1658. We'll go for 5. Top loss 1649. Guys, 164. Okay. Enter. Just tick. I guess tick. Place the order, guys. 165.
Bata India.
Triggered.
What happened? Vedanta still in sideways. He exited.
No, not exited. Actually, I don't exit the trade, guys. Either I book the loss. Mostly I book loss.
What your target would be that swing high, Vicky? Or about that?
So beta 1:2. 165. 16.1% from the location.
Okay. 16 points would be 1674 around, right?
Whatever maybe, but I will go for 1700.
So how did you come with 1:2? I'm sorry, you explained that before as well. Just wanted to verify to understand that.
I told no, like how much example is 16,000, sorry, 600 stock.
Mhm.
Okay, 1600 was stock. So 1% is 16 rupees.
So you're going
So
by
I will
percent.
percent, no, not like that. I see the stop loss. Stop loss is 8 rupees. Okay, so 8 rupees stop loss means I will go for 0.5, 1 is to 2, 1 is to 3. Normally I will book most of my position in 1 is to 3 of position like this. It is depend upon move. If the move is fast, then I will write. If the move is slow, I will book opposition and hold opposition. I will book another example again. We breaking high and moving some more. I will book all position. It is all about stop loss size. Stop loss. How is the stop loss size?
Okay. No, so what I wanted to verify is you're not going by the structure or anything, you are going by a fixed percentage. Like your SL was somewhere around.
Here, the important psychology is there. You people are not understanding what is important. See, if the stop loss is lesser, means look at the percentage wise, 1%, 2%. Whenever you are entering stock with 1% stop loss, there is the probability is less. It is going to move another 2%, right? From your location. Okay. At the same time, whenever stop loss is lesser than 1%, like 0.5, 0.4, 0.6, it is easily give 1%. There is a probability is high. You see 1% stop loss, 2% move. This normally it's not due. Example, the Vedanta already moved 5%. Another 2% is it is happened when like yesterday and now like this happened, but it is happened very 20% of time. Remaining 80% will be move 1 or 2%, 1%, 1.5% maximum 2%. Example now 5%, another 2% move we will see. Okay, so that's what I'm telling. Whenever your stop loss is small, take the trade, take the risk. Whenever stop loss is big, don't take the risk. Why? Means you will never get the reward. Even important is reward. That's why I'm telling you. If the example, if same position, Vedanta is coming with 25 paisa stop loss, 30 paisa stop loss, I definitely enter. Okay, I'm ready to lose. If the stock is move my side, within 1 or 2 stroke, I will 1:2, 1:3 will come.
Look
So
at
how much
ITC.
small the stop loss? What?
Look at ITC.
We'll see ITC what happens. Yeah, it is. We'll see ITC. I think ITC is more for yeah. It is I think 206.5. Okay, those area it will be have support and the every bottom is the buying. People are buying and moving. Bottom is buying and moving. We'll see what happen and we don't get any proper candle also in here. All doji, one doji, two doji, three doji, and after that it is was 50% buyer, 50% seller is there. Waiting for the boom move in Vedanta. We remember one thing in this setup, you need very more patience. Stock will stock will like active, so you need more passion. Don't hurry. Okay, once enter now, keep your mind either stop loss or the target. Don't go for like partial booking. Don't go for like I trial my stop loss. Trial when it is moving profitable, then go to trial. Okay, if it is coming near to your stop loss, don't. What it means I most time what happen? Most time not now. Most time it is what happen. 10-20% difference it is reverse. Okay, I done mistake this in month before. Then after that I realized it. So stock was most time not hitting the stop low. If hitting na, whenever it is hitting the low na, the stock will be reversed. 80% reverse. Like yesterday happened na. IGL stop loss hit, it is going down. MGL stop loss hit is going down. Again it's going to move na, the probability is less. Better than not generating any volume. What happened, Reliance? Yeah, Reliance is going good, but no entry fee. Saram Finance, good. LSC, good. I think Vedanta will be break in single candle day high. Expecting, as per my experience, we'll see what happens.
Vedanta started moving a bit.
Okay, no, I'm not telling. See, this much consolidation, if we give the moon, it will break the high in single candle. Okay, mostly it will never move like slowly. It is moving in single step. The pattern behavior, it is called as human behavior. See the behavior of the opening move, sideways, same behavior expecting. That's it. This is happening more time. My trading experience. Even I whenever like this setup come in, I like those setup. Why means there is a high chances of same behavior will become. What happened beta? Beta slope is turning. We'll see what happens beta. Nifty or Nifty 1200 is a support area. 14,200. This stock in selling side. Selling side mostly same stock is traveling. Buying side mostly stocks was mostly shifting. RBL Bank, Kanpur, Vedanta is same. Then now Voltas and SRM Finances came first. Vedanta so Beta India slope was changing, guys. Is coming down. Vedanta okay. Beta India slope is changing. Let's see what happened.
Guys on the call, live trading is fine. I mean, that would be helpful, I'm sure. But if you guys have any questions regarding the explanation Vicky has provided, or anything which is unclear, or we need more explanation on something, please ask the questions, because I'm hoping this is the last recording we are doing, and we'll share with FTU members today. So in case there are any more questions we can cover right now, let's do that. And let's try to keep the session for today brief. We already have over an hour. So let's ask questions if you guys have any.
How is this not contest this sentence photos? I think how many of in the live? Sorry, how many of in the participation? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
We have
Okay.
7 people, including you, Vicky.
Okay, no issue.
Dushant, VD, Veer Karna, Pranit. Any questions you guys have?
Vedanta
question.
slope has also changed sideways. And Bata
Vedanta,
and
no problem. No, Vedanta, no problem. So it means the slope is still not turned, but the beta Indians it's stand. It means Vedanta it is holding. Still it is holding in the 20 EMA, and the candle is not giving any selling pressure or buying pressure. Okay, it is like a doji type, so we can wait for that. But beta India we have to look. Either a trap, maybe it is in trap. I mean the slope is lifted. Okay.
Prasmit, open Bata India, please.
yes.
Uh, 10:30 candle. Low. 10:30 candle. Low.
Yeah.
This one. Can we put stop loss below that candle or this big bullish candle 11:20?
Same candle. You put same candle. 1 6. Don't go for take if you're taking the follow the plan. That's a simple thing. 16550 is our stop loss. Just put the stop loss in 1649.5. So I mean it is continuously repeating the space 165049. So keep the stop loss 1649.5 or 4 or 6 like this. 1649.456 you can keep it stop loss.
Okay.
No issue.
It is weak also, that's why I asked.
The first sign of the bearishness in the Vedanta, rejection from top.
Yes.
We'll see either stop loss or what happens. Concours was it's not topping anywhere yet. Concours, Tangia. Okay, TC. TC, okay, bites. Trade of this is okay. One task. How are you?
Look on SBI card. SBI card.
Wait a minute. SBI card. Where is the SBI card? Yeah, no. What happened in SBI card? Guys, be in line. I will come within 5-10 minutes. Okay.
Sure.
Hello.
Yeah, sure. Prasnath, if
Hello.
you want, we can pause the recording.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, we can close the recording, no problem.
No,
If you
we
no
are
objection,
pausing
your
the
side no
recording.
objection, no problem, means you can close the recording.
Vicky, I was saying we can pause the recording.
Yeah, done.
So everyone who's listening, we are stopping the recording now. Vicky is in FTU trading chat. You can ask your questions to him there in the group. Do not DM him. Do not message him personally. If he reports anyone troubling him in personal messages, you'll be removed from FTU trading chat as well as FTU chat. Okay. Do not do that. Follow the rules. Having the discussions in the trading group will help the other people to understand the concept better. Thank you, Vicky, and Prasnath, you as well for recording and sharing your screen. And thanks to all the participants. So we'll stop the recording now and we'll end the session. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thanks, everyone. Thanks, Vicky.
Thank you all.